Hello RBTV viewers, Ron here. We've just completed an annex solution onto this beautiful Winnebago Classic motorhome. $400,000+ worth of motorhome, she's a beauty. But this lady here is set up in this park for an extended period of time and she really needed some space to spread into. So what we've done here is customised the designer annex to her bus, and I'm going to take you for a walkthrough. So as you can see from the front, we've got a porch coming off, which is obviously a standard inclusion in the designer kit. But then Maureen has also selected the spreader bar kit, and you can see from underneath the spreader bar kit is the perimeter and curved rafter on top of what we would standardly supply, which is the corner poles, and that gives it a whole lot more stability in wind. It can handle so much more. She's gone for the light master gables and window flaps on this one with the 11-ounce grey silver top with the black mud skirt. So we're coming in and now we walk into her room. She has gone with a waterproof floor, so there's no way the water can come up and soggy your feet. She's got a big light master gable end wall with large light master window, and of course that's going to give her plenty of natural light. What she's done a bit unique on this one is off the long side wall, she's pushed an extension room off the long side wall, which is called our beer garden inside essentially, and this is now going to give her a lot of extra storage space to get all those bits and pieces out of the way for her to be able to keep the floor available. You can see how much light the light master brings in. She's used it everywhere she can, because obviously she's not sleeping in here. She's going to be living in here. It's her lounge room. Hello Maureen.
Hello.
What'd you think of the annex?
Oh, it's wonderful. I've done a great job.
Oh, thank you. So there you go, just another example on how you can design your annex custom solution to suit your needs. And that light master on display there for you to really get a full appreciation, especially this time of the day, how much light it lets in. If you've got any questions or queries, or you need to know what we can do for your caravan or motorhome, get on the blower 1800 612 672 or greatannexes.com.au. See you later.